In this video, we're going to explore backreferences in regular expressions. Backreferences allow you to refer back to captured groups within a regular expression pattern. We'll see how this can be incredibly useful for matching patterns where repetition or symmetry is involved. Let's dive in. So, what exactly are backreferences? Simply put, a backreference is a way to reference previously captured groups within the same regular expression pattern. Consider it as a copy-paste mechanism within your regex, allowing you to reuse parts of the matched text. The basic syntax for using backreferences is quite straightforward. You use a backslash followed by a number, such as \1, \2, and so on. \1 refers to the first captured group, \2 refers to the second, and so on. This allows you to recall and reuse the content matched by those groups later in your pattern. Let's look at a simple example. The regular expression are \w plus, \s plus \1 matches repeated words separated by white space. Here, \w plus captures one or more word characters into group 1. Then \s plus matches one or more whitespace characters. Finally, \1 is the backreference that refers back to the content captured in group 1, ensuring that the same word is repeated. For example, this regex would match hello hello or bye bye. You can also use multiple groups and backreferences. Consider the regular expression are \w plus, \s plus, \w plus, \s plus \2 \s plus \1. This matches a pattern where you have word 1 followed by word 2, then word 2 again, and finally word 1. So, it matches word 1 a space, word 2 a space, then the same word 2 again, then a space, and finally the same word 1 again. Group 1 captures the first word, Group 2 captures the second word, and the backreferences \2 and \1 ensure that the pattern is followed. An example of a match string would be alpha beta beta alpha. Let's make it more practical by incorporating it into a Python code. Here's how we can use the re module to find repeated words in a string. We import the re module. We define a variable text and assign a sample sentence, hello hello world. We define a variable pattern with value r, \w plus, \s plus \1, which looks for the repeated words. We use refindAll, pattern text, to find all non-overlapping matches of the pattern in the text. The result will be a list containing the repeated word, hello. Backreferences can also be useful for matching HTML tags. The regular expression are \w plus, **, \1 matches opening and closing HTML tags. Let's break it down. The expression \w plus matches an opening HTML tag, capturing the tag name like div or p into group 1. Then * matches any characters between the opening and closing tags, non-greedily. Finally, \1 matches the corresponding closing tag, ensuring that it's the same tag as the opening tag that was captured in group 1. This helps ensure that your HTML structure is valid. Here are some key points to remember when working with backreferences. First, groups are numbered from left to right, based on the order of their opening parenthesis in the regular expression pattern. Second, for a backreference to match, it must have content matching exactly with the content captured by the group it refers to. It is not enough for it to match the same pattern as the group, it needs to match the exact same string. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.